Supreme Court has dealt a major blow to Donald Trump's global tariff policy, and the fallout is only just beginning. What looked like a legal victory for businesses may actually open a new chapter for economic uncertainty for the United States. The court ruled that Trump's use of emergency powers to impose sweeping tariffs was unlawful, but the decision did not answer one of the biggest questions: what happens to the money already being collected? Between the early 2025 and by the end of December, those tariffs generated an estimated $133.5 billion in revenue. Now companies want refunds, and the battle could last for years. Refunds won't be automatic. Importers must file individual lawsuits to get their money back, and more than 1,000 companies have already entered legal disputes. Trump himself has admitted that the fight could drag on for up to 5 years, keeping businesses stuck in courtrooms instead of focusing on growth. Instead of backing down, Trump quickly announced plans for a new 10% tariff using a different legal authority. And this new law only allows tariffs for 150 days unless Congress steps in. That means the administration must now rely on slower investigations and more complex legal routes to keep pressure on foreign trade partners. The ruling also shakes up global trade negotiations. Countries that already signed deals may stick with them to avoid angering Washington. But nations still in talks now have more leverage and may push back harder, knowing Trump's fastest tariff weapon is gone. Even after the ruling, US tariffs remain high. The average effective tariff rate now stands near 9%, down from almost 17% earlier this year, but still among the highest levels seen since the mid 20th century. Some economists believe this could force a reset toward lower and more orderly tariffs. Others warn that trade battles are far from over. The Supreme Court may have struck down Trump's tariffs, but it didn't end the trade war. It just changed the battlefield from ports and borders to courtrooms and Congress. And the next fight has already begun. For more such interesting geoeconomics deep dives, like, share, and subscribe Geopolitical Navigator. Thank you for watching.